How to refund old Google Play purchases. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete. In this informative video presentation, we'll thoroughly examine the step-by-step procedure for requesting a refund for previous purchases made on Google Play. In order to initiate the process, launch the Google Play application on your smartphone or tablet and proceed to locate your profile icon, which is positioned in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Subsequently, click on the Help and Feedback segment located at the top of the display, and within this section, search for the specific feature that enables users to request a refund for transactions conducted on the Google Play. You should definitely encounter a situation where your account does not display any recent purchases. It is probable that refunds for the older transactions may not be feasible. In such circumstances, you can attempt to contact customer support service by selecting the Contact Us option, which is alternative at the lower section of the Help and Feedback page. It is imperative to provide a comprehensive description of your predicament, explicitly mentioning the term refund, and adhere to the instructions provided to establish communication with the support representative. It is plausible that the support team may request your transaction identification number and additional particulars to ascertain the viability of the issuing a refund. It is essential to bear in mind that the primary objective of this video presentation is to educate viewers on the refund process associated with the Google Play acquisitions and not to disseminate inaccurate information. If you have found the content of this video beneficial, we kindly encourage you to express your appreciation by liking the video and subscribing to our channel for additional insightful recommendations. We extend our gratitude to you for viewing this presentation. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.